Alright, this is how to make smoke bomb. All you need is 3 simple things. Tinfoil. A ping pong ball. Any color. I'm using blue. Or 3. And a lighter.
Yes.
And an adult supervision. First, you grab tinfoil. Doesn't matter the size. Bigger the better. Take the ping pong ball and you stick it in there. Doesn't matter how many you use. 1 for less smoke, 3 for longer. And then, as you see, there shall be a little opening here that allows the smoke to travel through. And you set it on the floor, here, like this. That's my cat. Get away, cat. Maybe so far. And you just light it.
Are you sure that's what you're supposed to do?
Yeah.
Sure. Not exactly what they did last time.
Actually, it is what they did last time.
No, it didn't. It's
Person.
not.
It is what they did, person. Camera guy.
Guess this is going to get hot enough, right?
Pretty much. Yay.
There you go.
Harmless. You started.
Is that it?
And bam. You have a smoke. Puff of smoke.
Oh, that was weird.
It's like freaking popcorn.
See? More ping pong balls to bigger the smoke. See, look at that. It inflated.
Is it still in there? I'm not gonna touch it. Don't break this thing. It's bad for you.
Nothing but ash.